east and west, but we're in Tennessee, so just remember that. North on 360. Just remember that. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to be a Tennessean. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. All the rocket scientists are in Alabama. That's your daily dose of knowledge. Huntsville, Alabama. Huntsville, Alabama is where rocket scientists are. And then they pack up their rockets and take them down to Cape Canaveral, Florida to shoot them off. That's how it was in the olden days. Now that Elon Musk owns that industry, he just shoots his rockets off from anywhere he wants. I really wish him and Trump would kiss and make up. That would make the Democrats just go insane more than they already are. Their heads would just blow up. Nothing like the smell of a POS deleted diesel truck in the morning. How calm that water is today. When I was younger, I grew up on a lake, and when I got into the workforce, I had kicked around buying lakefront property. I wouldn't say I regret not doing it, but I'd be a lot wealthier today if I had of. Now it seems like everybody pays top dollar to get on the water. That's not my only mistake. Someday ask me about how much Coca-Cola stock I got rid of in 1999. That was a huge mistake. Motorcycle cabin, $79.99 a night. No thanks. We're gonna pass him, so hang on. Hang on. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Oh, whew, fresh air. If you all ride a motorcycle, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The other one that's terrible is when you get behind one of those cars with the bad catalytic converter and it smells like rotten eggs every time they let off the gas. Passing zone. Heads up, passing zone. You didn't think I'd make it before that concrete truck, but I did. It was sketchy. You know how fast those concrete trucks are. Speaking of museums, Sequoia Birthplace Museum. If you're ever in Tellico Plains, check out the Tellico Plains Museum. It's right on the Cheerhala Skyway. It's right there near town. I have a really good feeling you might be impressed. It's free to go in and look around. It's free. Free! So do it. Maybe buy a t-shirt, some fudge or something. Help support them. But that museum's kind of impressive. I haven't been in that Sequoia Museum. I've only been saying that I should stop in there and look around for 20 years, but I haven't done it yet. So check out what they're doing up here on the left. New homes, $400,000. That is going to be insane. We're not far from Maryville, Tennessee, and we're maybe an hour from Knoxville. And you know that those homes for $400,000, those homes are going to sell out. There's going to be so many people in this neighborhood. Vonore is going to grow. They might even get themselves a Walmart. Just for the record, this is Sloan's in Vonore. That gas pump over there, number 14, has the ethanol free. That's where I ran into all my issues on the 848 with the bad gas. So if you're buying gas here, just get the ethanol gas, get the 87. They move a lot of it. So you're not going to get bad gas there, but man, stay away from that ethanol pump. All right, I'll talk to y'all later.